Eye-catching geometry can make your product poster stand out immediately while keeping the message clear and professional. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Select a strong but clean background, then open the Elements panel and choose bold geometric shapes such as circles, triangles, polygons, rectangles, and angled forms. Arrange the larger shapes behind the product to create a dynamic foundation, then add smaller shapes around the headline and promotional information. Upload your product image and position it where it naturally becomes the main focus. Add a bold headline, a short description, pricing, and a strong call to action using clear typography.